Real estate is often called the greatest wealth-building vehicle in the United States, and for many it is, but there's a massive gap between those who build generational wealth and those who just watch from the sidelines. Why is that? Most people view the US real estate market through a lens of fear or extreme hype. They hear stories about get-rich-quick deals or market corrections, and they get paralyzed by indecision. They wait for the perfect interest rate or the perfect market dip. But here's the truth. In real estate, waiting is the most expensive decision you can make. Let's break down the three types of people I see in this market every single day. Type 1, the spectators. These folks are constantly consuming information. They read every blog, watch every market update, and tell themselves they're researching. In reality, they're just avoiding action. They're waiting for a green light that they'll never actually see because they don't know how to evaluate a deal when they see one. Type 2, the burnouts. These are the people who do take action, but they treat real estate like a side project. They get frustrated when a property doesn't cash flow from day one, or when a renovation takes longer than expected. They lack the long-term vision required for capital appreciation and passive income, so they walk away when the work gets tough. And then there's type 3, the strategic investors. These people understand that real estate isn't just about buying a house, it's about understanding market cycles, tax advantages, leverage, and asset management. They don't react to the market, they respond to it with a plan. To be in this third group, you need to stop asking, is the market good? And start asking, is this a good deal? Whether it's a single-family home in the Midwest or a multifamily unit in a growing suburban hub, the math remains the same. It's about risk mitigation, not luck. At Capital Coach, we don't believe in luck. We believe in mechanics. We believe in data-driven decisions that cut through the noise. Whether you're looking at your first property or scaling your portfolio, you need to stop waiting for the right time and start building the right foundation. If you're ready to stop watching and start winning, subscribe to this channel. We're going to be breaking down US market trends, property analysis, and the psychology behind successful investing. It's time to take control of your financial future. I'll see you in the next video.